So this is part two of the alpha transparency nonsense I was working on. I did get a demo working. This is the finished demo in the middle, where you can see it's fully rotoscoped. It's cut out. That's the RGB channel on the right, and then on the left is the alpha channel. This is the combination in the center is the combination of both of them. So it is working. That's cool. So I just want to do a little bit of a recall note on how I got it working. We left off last time with just the separate alpha and RGB channels playing in their own videos. So the crux of this is a shader that basically I vibe coded. I really need to I really need to bone up on shader programming a little bit to even really comprehend what is going on with this shader. GPT basically wrote it, and it's got two assets. It's got a RGB channel and an alpha channel, and it combines them into one texture. But aside from the details of the shader, and you can find the shader in the GitHub repo, but beside the details of the shader, we basically got another screen here, Alpha Blend screen. It's got it's got that shader as a material. So there's this material that's using that shader. You drag on the RGB texture render, the alpha texture render. It's still drawing from these two just raw videos, and then you apply that material to the screen, and you're basically off to the races. That's basically all that goes into this. I created a Unity package out of this, and you can just drag this onto your VR project, and it'll just work. All you have to customize is the prefabs just work. All you have to customize is the streaming assets to your video. That's basically it. Let me just run through that demo video one more time. Again, this is the combination of the alpha and the RGB. You see the transparency behind it. It's essentially, I use the term rotoscoped. I don't know if that's the correct term, but this is the alpha channel on the left, and this is the RGB channel on the right. The only reason you're seeing this noise in the background is because I faked a green screen using the Max built-in background thing that you can use on Zoom calls and whatever. That built-in background has a little bit of a gradient, which I can just show you what that looks like. That built-in background, it has that kind of little bit of a gradient to it, which is why it's not fully transparent. Only the top is rendering as transparent, but it's close enough to just prototype the code. This would work with a real green screen video, and you can see all the details of how to do the chroma keying and the separate channels in the previous video.